Hello everyone, Sam is from myforexmagicweb.com, making this a small video for the trades taken in the first week of February. All right, the second week I had COVID vaccine, I didn't trade, and I was just resting. And then this week, third week of February, I started already 4-5 trades. So once the week is ended, then I'm gonna make another video for this week. But right now, this is a video for the first week of February. So let's get started. This is the first trade on the 1st Feb for 70 pip pound USD 20-minute chart. Here is the buy order, SL move to break even plus. Here's my entry here with this indicator all the way down. So this is the first one. The second trade, 80 pip short side, Euro Aussie sell order is right there. The third one, you can see Aussie yen. Aussie was getting strong, so Euro Aussie, pound Aussie went down, Aussie yen and Aussie USD went up. So this is a long side for 60 pip here. And then Euro USD, this is the first entry here. It went up very nicely. Euro was getting strong. And then the and the second entry, I got it right there. It retraced where I closed the first one for 70 pip, and then it dropped and 140 pip from here to here on the 3rd Feb. Beautiful, beautiful trades. Pound yen, beautiful by the book entry here for 130 pip. This is the first day, second day. You can see 2 days worth of pippage. Now, Euro Aussie here, you can see a beautiful trade. It becomes bullish, and then I missed this one, and then but still you look at this one and look at this amount of pippage, right? From here, 160 pip on the 4th, by the way. On the 4th, pound CAD, 120 pip by the book entry here, and it went up. And my entry has to have the Magic IV system set up. If I have 4 conditions, they all must be at the same time. They must meet at the same time. This indicates all the way down. Yellow is above the black, higher low, and then red candle turns bullish. Blue candle, and I open the trade right there. So this is how it is. And Euro Newsy 20-minute chart, big move to the upside, then retrace a little bit. After that, again 110 buy order right there. Right. So you got to keep an eye on the news, and when you see the news comes out and then something is getting weak very badly, all the pairs involving that currency, like in this case, Newsy dollar was getting weaker, and then pound Newsy, Euro Newsy, everything Newsy was going up, right? And that's what happens. Now pound Aussie, beautiful by the book entry here, and it went up for 75 pips. So these are few 7, 8, 9 trades for the first week of February, right? So this is how it is. If you want to be a part of it, you want to get it, then go on my website, which is right there, monthly subscription. You can go and then sign up for the monthly subscription, use the subscribe button. If somebody in need of learning every single thing about the Forex, or you starting it and you want to be a master, become a master, right? Then go and, for one-on-one Forex coaching, where I teach you over the Skype in 10-hour course, 10 1-hour sessions, including I teach everything like harmonic patterns, Elliott waves, SNR levels, trend lines, channels, everything. Okay. Everything has to do with Forex. You will know every single thing. So this is how it is. Here's a harmonic pattern course, but not the conventional harmonic pattern. I call it the creative harmonic pattern. I trade these patterns, some of these patterns, when they are in the making, not after finishing it. I do trade after they finish, but my main goal is, my main system is to teach, to trade, to take the trade from point C, not at the end of the finishing of the pattern. The final turning point, no. When it is going from point C to D, I start trading, and then from D to whatever it goes, right? So very, very lucrative way of trading. So this is it for now. Like I said, that these were a few trades, and only the first week of February, and today is the starting Thursday. It's about to start, already started. So today and tomorrow I'll make another video for the current week and show you all the trades. Some of them are already open here. See, today I had this chart I made on Sunday, pound Nuzi weekly chart, and based on that, it's supposed to drop, and it did. And when it did, I got this pound Nuzi. See this 140 pip. I just closed it a little while ago. Similarly, I have other like EURUSD because Nuzi is getting strong now. So Nuzi, pound Nuzi went down, EURUSD went down. Let me have that trade here. I got this one. Yeah, EURUSD. See that? Just close this one as well. 120 pip right there. 140 pip pound Nuzi. So that's 260 pip just today in these two pairs. I have other entries as well. So this is how the system is. Once you learn, you can do wonders with the system. Right. So like I said, go here if you want to be a part of it. myforexmagicwave.com, subscribe or get one-on-one and start learning. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the week.